Gummy bears! Today we are making a special breakfast. We're gonna take this, I think it's milk, let's say it's milk, this, the yellowy part of the egg, this, which I presume it's the other part of the egg, mix of something white, don't ask me what, I think it's flour and baking powder, but whatever, this, sugar, this, I guess it's salt, bunch of gummy bears, and this thing, I don't know what this thing is, but I think it's amazing, so let's get started.